Welcome friends, my YouTube channel Any Topic by Sompok. We are discuss today the Bihu festival. The Bihu festival is the major festival of Assam. We the Assamese people observe three Bihus in a year. The Mag Bihu, the Bohag Bihu and the Kathi Bihu are the three Bihus. The Mag Bihu is observed on the last day of the month of Puttha. Everywhere in Assam, especially in the village, the young boys boiled magic gourds and mathas before the Bihu. The previous day of the Mag Bihu is called Uruka. The young boys arrange feasts in the magic gourds at that night and spend the night there. Early in the morning, they take bath and put fire to the magic gourds and mathas. The old village people also joined in lightning magic gourds and methods and discuss various problems of the village. In every house, rich and poor, there is an arrangement of various food including cakes, milk, curd and various parties. After the boarding of the magic horse, people return home and take cakes, pieces and different items of food as arranged. The Mag Bihu comes immediately after the harvesting, so there is at least some amount of foodstuffs in every house to prepare various items of food according to their choice. Because of affections of things, this Bihu is called the Bhogale Bihu. The Bohag Bihu comes on the last day of the month of Satra and is observed for the following 7 days. The spring season occurs during this period. Nature wears lovely dress of green leaves.